So here's my finished masterpiece. In this video, I'm going to try recreating trending fall nail art 2019. Let's jump right in. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. Let's take a look at what's currently trending and then I'll pick out a few designs to try out myself, so make sure to stay for that. So this is the first article I found on Yahoo and it was published on October 15th, so really recently, and it's titled 8 New Nail Art Trends to Try This Fall. So it looks like this is the first one. It's soft metallic sweeps, so it has some green and then a brush stroke of gold polish. This looks very fall-like. I really want to try this one. I think this one might be one of the ones I'll try. Then there's this simple minimalistic style with just the edges outlined in a shiny copper. Very pretty. And this is a ombre mani and it's called Cookies and Cream, and really pretty colors together. And then we have this pink and glittery one. This looks cool. Lipstick nails. Hey, I have long enough nails. I could try this one, but that one looks so simple. Let's see if there's something else. We have some blue matte, and we have some more minimalistic. Maybe that's one of the themes going around, minimalistic nail art. I feel like that's always been a thing though. And we have some more minimalistic nail art. Alright, so that was all the ideas in this article. Now there is also this butterfly trend going around that you basically paint butterflies on your nails, and they're very pretty looking. Then there's this really pretty pink one outlined with black. This one's really pretty. I think I'll try recreating this one. Would that be cool? And we have some like monarch butterflies. And this one is combined with a leopard spotted tip. Very creative. I like that actually. And moving on to another article, the gold framed manicure. So yeah, we saw this before, and the other article is outlining the nail with a color, and it looks very pretty. So the nail is painted like a soft pink, trim the outer oval of each fingernail with the gold shade. I want to try this one out too. Alrighty, so I have picked out the 4 designs I want to try, so yeah, let's get started. So I've already applied my glue peel off base coat, but on top of that, just to further smooth out the nail appearance, I'm applying my rich filling base coat, and this does have a tint to it, so it does help kind of mask any imperfections. Alrighty, so this is the first one. It has a dark green curved tip and then a brush of gold. So I have this dark green Essie. Since my free edge is kind of large, I'm going to improvise a little bit and try to make sure I can cover up all of my free edge. Now for that swipe of gold, I have this acrylic paint and I'm just swiping that across, kind of like in the picture. So yeah, this one is interesting. So this is the next one I've chosen to do. Very minimalistic. I'm not sure how this will turn out on my nail shape, but let's see. So it wants a terracotta color. I think I'm actually going to go for my orange here. Alright, I'm afraid to make it much bigger because then it will look quite a bit different, but this is super minimalistic, I mean. So for that gold outlining, I'm deciding to go with my gold hollow. Well, this is more like a greenish gold hollow. It's kind of hard to describe. So here's my finished masterpiece. It seemed like a lot of work because it was so small. It was actually kind of hard doing that. So I don't know what I think about this. I think it's a little bit too minimalistic for me. Hey guys, I have a question for you. Do you like minimalistic negative space nail art? Share your thoughts in the comments. So this is the next one, and looking at the background, it's like this milky white idea. I don't quite have something like that, but I thought what I could do is do like a light pink to white gradient, or just like lightly sponge on some white or something like that. So I'm just painting on some light pink and some white onto the sponge, and I'm just gently sponging it on, just to kind of cover up that smile line. Hey, you know what? I think I basically got it. Okay, so I think I'm actually going to use the polish to paint the butterflies. So I'm going to hold my hand the other way so I can see what it would look like right side up, because I think it would be kind of challenging to paint on a butterfly upside down for me. Well, what do we think? I think I need to get myself a set of striping brushes. Well, I think it's very pretty, and I will add in those rhinestones when we put on the top coat. And this is the next one. I'm just going to go ahead and paint my nail a light pink. And I do notice that when I apply this pink, which is not very opaque, over a ridge filling base coat, that does help make it a little more opaque. I think I did okay, and I think this is actually really pretty. It has this elegant look to it with that gold around the edge. Alright guys, so it's time for a top coat and review. But for this guy, I'm applying a matte top coat because looking at the picture, I think that's what they used. This one, it doesn't even look like I painted my nail. It is really cool, and I think this design would look a lot better on a shorter nail, so that's not like this. For this butterfly one, I think it turned out very well. So it looks like she also had these little rhinestones. So I have these silver ones. So the matte top coat has dried. I think it looks even more fall-like now that it's matte. Just something about it. I hope you enjoyed watching me have some fun and taking a look at what's new in the nail art world, but you guys seem to really like my last testing hacks video. Well, hit the notification bell because in my next video, I'm going to test out some more nail art hacks. For a complete collection of all my nail art tutorials, check below in the description for the playlist. Sign up to my email list for weekly newsletters featuring new videos. The link is below in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it below. If you're new here and you'd like to keep in touch, subscribe and click the bell for notifications when I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Nope, I'm not saying anything about Instagram. Please feel free to share this video with your friends and comment below which of these designs is your favorite. I really like the butterfly one. I look forward to seeing your comments and giving responses too. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're really the best and have a magical day.